medial side of the leg. This muscle here is the gracilis, and if we cut through the gracilis, what's going to happen is we're going to have the inside of this. So this muscle right here is going to be my Abductor Magnus muscle that's right here. That's the Abductor Magnus, right? This is part of the semitendinosus, which we'll actually see from the back. And then this is going to be my Abductor longus. That's my Abductor longus muscle right there. So if I go like this, that's my Abductor longus. Okay, if we close this up, I'm going to have this muscle that goes right here that's coming down. It looks like it's attaching to gracilis. This is the Sartorius. So that's my Sartorius muscle right there. This is going to be my Vastus Medialis. So this muscle right here is the Vastus Medialis. And then I have right here my rectus femoris. That's my rectus femoris right there. Then I have my Vastus lateralis. That's my Vastus lateralis. And then if I go down in here, down right here, and I look right here, this is my Vastus intermedius. So this is the Vastus intermedius with the Vastus lateralis, with the rectus femoris, and the Vastus medialis make up my quadricep muscles. So there's the muscles of the inside of the thigh and actually on the top of the thigh. Oh, one last thing. This here is going to be my tensor fascia lata. So it's going to come like this, and this is kind of torn, but it's actually going to connect over in here. And actually, being that we're on this is my Gluteus Maximus right here. That's the Gluteus Maximus right there. And then if I were to cut this real quick, I have my, ooh, I cut a little bit too much. I cut too much, so let me see if I can catch part of it. I would have my, there it is. So this is going to be my Gluteus Maximus, would be this thin muscle that's right here, and I got some of it cut away, but if I remove that, that's the Gluteus Medius right there. This whole muscle right here is my biceps femoris, right? And the biceps femoris is actually in two parts. If you notice, there's a little line right here. This is the biceps cranialis, and then down here would be the biceps caudalis. And then if I look right here, I have my semitendinosus and my semimembranosus. So the semitendinosus, the semimembranosus, and the biceps femoris make up my hamstring muscles. Okay, so there's muscles of the leg. Thanks for watching.